In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Blender using collections. This is a handy technique that can significantly improve your workflow and keep your projects well organized. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you know exactly what to do to create a new collection for your selected objects. Let's start by selecting the objects you want to group. Open your 3D viewport, and here's a neat trick. Hold down the Shift key. This allows you to select multiple objects seamlessly. Simply click on each object one by one that you wish to group together. Holding Shift is crucial because if you don't, Blender will only select one object at a time, and we certainly want these all grouped into a collection. Now that you have your objects selected, we're moving on to the next step. With the objects still selected, look at your keyboard and press the M key. This action is a shortcut that opens up a menu offering several collection-related options. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your objects without diving too deep into other menus. Once you press the M key, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to create a new collection. Go ahead and choose the New Collection option. This is where your objects will be grouped, allowing for better organization and easier management in future edits and animations. Now, let's take a look at the Outliner panel, typically situated on the top right of your workspace. You'll notice that your new collection has appeared there. It may be labeled something generic to start with, but don't worry. We're going to give it a more descriptive name to make it easy to identify later. Click on the current name and start typing the new name for your collection. Once you're happy with the name, simply press Enter, and your collection is now ready to go, clearly labeled and easy to manage. Creating collections in Blender is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow. It not only keeps your outliner tidy, but also allows you to move or hide groups of objects with a single click. Remember, organization is key, especially when working on complex projects, and collections make it easier to maintain that organization. By incorporating these simple steps into your regular Blender routine, you'll find it much easier to navigate your projects and maintain efficient workflows. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and remember to practice creating collections to become even more fluent in your Blender projects. Happy blending!